Let's start out by doing our sight words for our stories this week. Hand fins and can Ben get it? Right. Let's start our sight words here. This word is cut. Let's say it together 3 times. Cut, cut, cut. You might know this one. This word is said. Let's say it together 3 times. Said, said, said. This one is must. Let's say it together 3 times. Must, must, must. Probably know this one. This word is when. Let's say it together 3 times. When, when, when. Okay, let's review. Ready, begin. Cut, said, must, when. Your turn. All right. Let's work on our sounds for our words that we're going to sound out. Okay. What sound is that? I. Good. Okay. Here we go. Sound. Sound. I. Sound. N. Sound. S. Let's blend. I. N. S. Word. Fins. Sound. Z. Sound. I. Sound. P. Sound. S. Let's blend. Z. I. P. S. Word. Zips. And this sound is eh. Okay, here we go. Sound b. Sound eh. Sound n. Let's blend. B, eh, n. Word Ben. That's right. That's somebody's name. This sound is ah. Sound? Oh boy, that's sloppy. Just a second. Do apologize. Sound. Sound. Ah. Sound. D. Let's blend. Ah, d. Word rod. Let's do this one. You should know that sound. Qu. Very good. All right. You probably remember this word, but just in case. Sound. Qu. Sound. I. Sound. T. Let's blend. Qu. It. Word. Quit. Okay, let's review. Ready, begin. Fins. Zips. Ben. Rod. Quit. Excellent. Your turn. Okay, let's do our next words. Now we're working on blends again this week. This first blend is st. Remember that this means there are letters before the st. Sound. Sound. Ah. Sound. St. Let's blend. Ast. Word. Fast. Sound. Ooh. Sound. Ah. Sound. St. Let's blend. Ooh. Ast. Word. Last. We're also going to do st words with letters after the st instead of before. Here's words with letters before the st. We're going to do some with letters after st. Okay, here we go. Sound st. Sound eh. Sound p. Let's blend. St, eh. Word step. Put an S on it. Now it's steps. Good. Sound st. Sound ah. Sound n. Sound d. Let's blend. St, ah, n, d. Word stand. If I put an S on it, now it's stands. Very good. Probably were able to sound that one out without a problem because you remember the word band or bands, and this just has a st in front of it. Another one that we're doing this week is sn, with letters after the sn. Sound sn. Sound ah. Sound g. Let's blend. Snag. Word snag. Sorry, forgot about that. Let's review. Ready, begin. Fast, last, steps, stands, snag. Your turn. Ooh. If you see any rhyming words on there, feel free to message them to your teacher. That's me, I'm your teacher. But just in case you're in someone else's class, message that to them if you'd like to let them know that you're working on those rhyming words. Here we go. We're also doing sl. It means there's letters afterwards. Let's do some sl words. Sound sl. Sound I. Sound p. Let's blend sl I. Word slip. If I put an S on it, now it's slips. Sound sl. Sound ah. Sound t. Let's blend sl ot. Word slot. Put an S on it, now it's slots. We're also doing fl. Sound fl. Sound ah. Sound p. Let's blend fl op. Word flop. If I put an S on it, now it's flops. Sound fl. Sound ah. Sound p. Sound s. Let's blend fl aps. Word flaps. Sound fl. Sound ah. Sound t. Let's blend fl at. Word flat. Okay, let's review. Ready, begin. Slips, slots, flops, flaps, flat. Now it's your turn. Okay, we just have a couple more left. Cool, cool. Let's do the cool. Sound cool. Sound I. Sound p. Let's blend clip. Word, clip. And this one's nd at the end of a word. There's other letters in the front. Sound, p. Sound, ah. Sound, nd. Let's blend. P, ah, nd. Word, pond. Sound, b. Sound, ah. Sound, nd. Let's blend. B, and. Word, band. Put an S on it. Now it's bands. Very good. Sound, h. Sound, ah. Sound, nd. Let's blend. And. Word, hand. Okay, let's review. Ready, begin. Clip, pond, bands, hand. Your turn. Okay, very good. Now you're ready to read hand fins and Can Ben Get It? And if it's Monday, you're going to read hand fins. If it's Tuesday, you're going to read Can Ben Get It? Have fun.